Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to remove scroll bar using custom CSS in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So you can add custom CSS for WordPress, PHP or HTML website. So after adding custom CSS, your page will be fixed and scrolling not active. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. HTML body overflow-y hidden. So click on publish. Now publish done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see scroll bar removed from our website and page is also fixed and page scrolling is not active. So this page is fixed by using custom CSS. So you can add this custom CSS for WordPress, PHP or HTML website overflow-y hidden. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.